bands.
Ladies and gentlemen, we sincerely apologize for the delay of flight AK512 to Johor Bahru. We are currently resolving an operational issue and will update you shortly.
This is unacceptable. We have waiting for 4 hours. No clear announcement, no information, nothing.
Wait a minute. They are my PR officer. He can explain to you about this.
Sir, I understand your frustration and I truly apologize for that. Please allow me to explain. This delay is caused by a combination of weather condition and safety checks.
Why didn't you take us earlier? People are complaining all over social media. The ASIA reputation is going down. This isn't the first time ASIA has faced mass delay. Is this a result of cost cutting and poor management?
Safety is never compromised. However, we acknowledge the communication gap and take full responsibility of it. Our CEO will be issuing an official statement shortly.
Hello Mr. Darwish, we have problem with customer right now. Can you come to counter right now?
Hey.
Dudley. Oh, there is a problem at the counter now. Okay, so I will come to the counter now to help you solve that problem now. Thank you. Yes, good afternoon. I would like to personally apologize to all affected passengers and you. This delay does not reflect the standard we strive for the AirAsia. Your time is very valuable and we failed to communicate effectively today. For that, I am truly sorry to you and another passenger.
We don't expect perfection. We expect honesty and timely update.
Yes, I understand about your statement. I am very sorry to you and another passenger. But that is our responsibility. We have activated our crisis response plan, including meal voucher, accommodation if necessary, and rebooking options.
What measure will ASIA take to prevent this from happening again?
Okay, so we are improving our real-time notification system, strengthening staff training, and enhancing internal coordination. Transparency remains our priority.
An official statement will be released on our website and social media channels after the end of this briefing.
System counters are open now. Thank you for your patience and understanding.
2, 3.
Hello everyone, as you all know, after the situation at the counter, I think we need to do a media session to apologize to all our passenger airlines about the flight delays. Do you agree with my suggestion?
Yes, I do agree with you, because by doing this media session, we can apologize directly to the public and save our reputation.
I also agree with you guys. That's good.
Okay, so do you all agree with my suggestion? So we will do the media session as soon as possible.
Good morning and thank you to all members of the media for attending. This press conference has been convened to provide an official explanation regarding the AirAsia flights delay that have occurred over the past few days. Joining us today are the Chief Executive Officer of AirAsia and the Company Operation Manager, We will begin with a statement from the CEO.
So, thank you. First and foremost, on behalf of AirAsia, I would like to offer a sincere public apology to all customers affected by the recent flight delay and disruption. We understand that this situation has impacted personal plans, work commitment, and situation has impacted personal plans for our passengers. The safety and well-being of our customers have always been our top priority, and we take full responsibility for this issue.
CEO, customers have complained that they waited for hours without receiving any clear information. Why did AirAsia fail to communicate yearly and more transparently?
So, we acknowledge that our communication at the initial stage was not swift enough. The situation occurred simultaneously across several locations and required operational verification before information could be released. However, this is not an excuse, and we have taken immediate steps to address and improve the shortcoming. Now, I will pass to my operation manager to discuss more.
The delays were caused by a combination of factors that including unexpected aircraft maintenance and adverse weather conditions at several major airports. All operational decisions are made with safety with highest priority.
Hey.
I understand the importance of safety, but I had to wait almost 6 hours without any certainty. I missed an important work commitment and had to bear additional cost. Does AirAsia truly care about its customer?
I am truly sorry to hear about your experience. We genuinely care about our customers, which is why we are currently reviewing each case individually to ensure that affected passengers receive appropriate compensation and support.
For the question 1, will AirAsia provide financial compensation or only flight credit? Many customers are dissatisfied. For question 2, social media is flooded with negative comment. How is AirAsia managing its brand reputation in this situation?
So, for the question number 1, the answer is we understand this concern. Compensation will be provided in accordance with aviation guidelines and the level of impact on customers. We are also reviewing our policy to make them more customer-friendly in the future. So, for the question number 2, we actively monitor social media platform and respond professionally and empathically. We believe that honest, two-way communication is key to restoring customer trust. Now we will continue to our future commitment in AirAsia that will be presented by our operation manager. Please welcome.
From an operational perspective, we are improving our flight planning system and strengthening maintenance procedures to prevent similar incidents from recurring.
So thank you everyone for watching us for our media session. Once again, I sincerely apologize to all our customer AirAsia. AirAsia is committed to learning from this situation, enhancing both our communication and operational system. We truly appreciate your patience and trust. Thank you.
Thank you to everyone present. Should there be any further inquiries, members of the media may contact AirAsia Corporate Communication Department. This press conference is now adjourned.